Somewhere right now, a developer just got a calendar invite they didn't ask for. Subject line, quick sync, 15 minutes. No agenda, no context. They know what it means. You know what it means. Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, Oracle, Cloudflare, Coinbase, PayPal, all of them, this week, and every single one gave the same reason. Not bad quarter, not restructuring, AI. So here's the question nobody's asking out loud yet. When's your invite coming? 128,270 tech workers laid off in 2026, so far. 2 days ago, May 8, 2026, the Bureau of Labor Statistics published a number that should have been on the front page of every newspaper. Tech sector employment is down 11% from its peak in 2022. Not a rounding error, not a correction. 11% gone. Now here's where it gets specific. The Layoffs tracker, which logs every public announcement, counted 128,270 tech workers laid off since January 1st. That's not a prediction. That's not a model. That's people. Real people. With mortgages and kids and 3 rounds of interviews to get the job they just lost. Here's what makes this different from every other AI is coming for jobs story you've seen. The overall economy added jobs last month. Healthcare, construction, finance, all growing. But the information sector, where developers live, is the one category dragging the entire jobs report down. Everyone else is getting hired. The people building software are getting fired. This isn't a recession. It's a targeted strike. And here's the number that actually kept me up. Of those 128,270 cuts, 47.9% were explicitly blamed on AI. Not market conditions, not right-sizing. They told the employees to their face, "You're being replaced by this." Now I want to zero in on one specific thing. Because buried in this story is a detail that changes how you should think about your own career. It's not just that jobs are being cut, it's which jobs. The Stanford study that came out this year was clear. Entry-level coding roles, customer service, junior QA, junior data analysts, gone first. And here's the thing about entry-level roles. They're not just jobs. They're the training ground. They're how senior developers got senior. You can't climb a ladder with no bottom rungs. Which means the next generation of senior engineers might not exist. Not because they aren't smart enough. Because there's no path left to walk. Dario Amodei, the CEO of Anthropic, the company that makes Claude, said last month that AI will eliminate half of all entry-level white-collar jobs in America. Not some. Not a portion. Half. The man building the AI said that. The AI companies are warning you. Make of that what you will. Let me show you how fast this moved. January 2026. Microsoft lays off 6,000 people. Explicitly cites AI productivity gains as the reason. February 2026. Meta cuts another round. Amazon eliminates 14,000 corporate roles. Both say the same thing. AI lets us do more with fewer people. March 2026. Oracle, Workday, more cuts. Workday specifically said they're reallocating those salaries into AI infrastructure investment. So the money that paid your colleague? It's now buying GPU time. April 2026. The unemployment rate in IT specifically jumped from 3.6% to 3.8%. 1 month, one number. Sounds small. It's 13,000 people. This week, Cloudflare, Coinbase, PayPal, all announced cuts in the last 7 days. All cited AI. And Jensen Huang, the man who makes the chips doing the firing, told his own engineers at NVIDIA this year that their AI token budget would be worth nearly half their base salary. He is literally paying his engineers in compute credits to replace the work of other engineers. This is not the future. This is Thursday. 1,002 people per day. Put this all together, and here's what you actually have. The companies with the most money, Meta, Microsoft, Amazon, are using AI to cut costs right now, and using those cost savings to buy more AI to cut more costs. Sam Altman said, and I'm quoting, "There's some AI washing where companies blame AI for layoffs they'd do anyway." Which means two things are true at the same time. Some of this is fake. Companies using AI as PR cover for cuts, they'd make regardless. But some of it is real, and the real part is accelerating. The question isn't whether AI is replacing developers. The question is whether you are the kind of developer that AI replaces first, or the kind that builds what's doing the replacing. Here's the verdict. 1,002 people per day is not a wave. It's a tide. Waves go out. Tides don't. The developers who are safe right now are not the ones with the most experience in old stacks. They're the ones who made themselves impossible to replace with a prompt. That means learning how AI agents actually work, not using ChatGPT to write your code. Actually understanding how to architect systems where AI does the work and you own the outcome. Because here's the uncomfortable truth. The developers writing the agents, they're not getting laid off. They're getting hired. Right now, today, while 1,002 people got that calendar invite, somewhere else, someone who understood this early just signed an offer letter with a comma in a number they didn't think they'd see for a decade. Drop a comment. Are you building with agents yet, or are you still watching from the side? Subscribe, because this number, 1,002, it's not going down anytime soon, and you need to know what's coming before it arrives.